Okay, as we know, displacement reaction is of two types. One is single displacement reaction, another is double displacement reaction. Now I am talking about double displacement reaction. Actually, what is it? When an element or radical from a compound displaces another element or radical of another compound. And the second one, from which an element or radical is displaced, takes the place of the element or radical of the previous compound, then the reaction is called double displacement reaction. Now let's define this nicely this way. Double displacement reaction, a chemical reaction in which two different elements or radicals of two different compounds mutually displaces each other, then the reaction is called double displacement reaction. We can understand by this symbolical representation. Let's say one of the compound AB, another compound is taken CD. AB represents two elements or two radicals, or one element another radical. In the same way CD also, two elements or a radical combined with element, or both of them may be radical. But when one of the element or radical displaces another element or radical from this compound, and this one takes the place of the previous element or radical, then this is called mutual displacement. Not only A is displacing C, but C is also displacing A. This way the compound formed will be of this type. A is taking place of C, that's why AD, and another C is taking place of A, that's why CD. This is double displacement reaction. We can take example of this type of reaction. Just for example, washing soda. Washing soda, when reacts with calcium chloride, let's say. When washing soda reacts with calcium chloride, then the product will be what? We can write formula equation to understand product easily. Washing soda is Na2CO3, and calcium chloride means CaCl, calcium valency 2, that's why given to chlorine. Chlorine 1, we don't have to exchange. Now what happens? Sodium takes the place of calcium. So sodium, it takes the place of calcium, NaCl. Both of them have equal valency 1, that's why no exchange. And calcium takes the place of sodium. Then what happens? CaCO3. CaCO3. Calcium 2 valency, carbonate 2 valency, equal valency, no exchange. That's why one of the result is sodium chloride and another product is calcium carbonate. This is one example of double displacement reaction. Now I want to see whether the equation is balanced or not. Carbonate 1 is okay. Calcium 1, this is also okay. Now chlorine 1, here it is 2. That's why if I take here 2, then chlorine becomes 2, here also 2. Sodium 2, here sodium is 2. This reaction is now balanced chemical equation. We can take another example also, zinc nitrate. Zinc nitrate, when reacts with ammonium hydroxide. Then what happens? What are the products? Before writing the product, I want to write formula equation of left hand side. I am going to say reactants. Zinc is Zn, nitrate means NO3, and zinc valency 2, nitrate 1. So I have to exchange this valency zinc 2 to nitrate 1. We don't have to exchange. Zn NO3 whole 2 is zinc nitrate plus ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium is NH4. Hydroxide is OH, ammonium valency 1, hydroxide 1, equal valency, no exchange. Now, this is also double displacement reaction. Zinc now displaces ammonium. If zinc displaces ammonium, then the compound will be ZnOH. Now zinc valency 2 and hydroxide valency 1. That's why we have to exchange valency of zinc to hydroxide, ZnOH2. And then another product is, if zinc takes the place of ammonium, ammonium takes the place of zinc. That's why another is ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3, ammonium nitrate. And ammonium valency 1, nitrate valency 1, equal valency, no exchange. It's clear. This is zinc hydroxide. And another compound is ammonium nitrate. Now, how to balance this equation? Nitrate 1, nitrate 2. That's why I can take here 2. Now, nitrate is 2 in both the sides. Ammonium 2, here it is 1 only. That's why if I take here 2, ammonium 2, ammonium 2. Now it's turn of hydrogen and oxygen. OH, we can see OH2, OH2. This balanced chemical equation. This way, the reaction in which an atom of a compound or an element of a compound, if displaces another element or radical displaces another radical, then if they are exchanging their position, mutual displacement, then the reaction is called double displacement reaction.